Tonight here on the BBQ Rando Ranch, we have another Safe and Sane demo for you. And what do we got? We got TNT. TNT fireworks. Now, this is an interesting little guy. Well, it's wildflower. That's it. It's just a little box fountain. But the cool thing is, I think it's got two tubes. A lot of times you'll see these. Let me come around this way. A lot of times you'll see these and they'll just have one tube. Right? Safe and Sane, baby. All right. Now, not much here, but again, you find these here in the Safe and Sane assortments. I love these. Oh, yeah. And we're going to check it out tonight when it gets dark here on the BBQ Rando Ranch. So, you know the routine. Will you go with me? Off to the, that way, launch pad. Yeah. All right, we made it to the launch pad. Let's see what TNT Wildflower does for you. Wow! Whoa! Whoa! That was a great surprise.